Hello everyone, it's Mark and welcome back. In this video I want to talk to you about the Baker Act and fees, attorney's fees. So I had a potential client who called us and said, I'm only going to pay you if you are successful. And I said, we can't do that. It's not legal. I would lose my license to practice law. So look, I'm not going to take your case if I don't think we can win it. And having handled, close to 300 cases by the time you hear this video, we're pretty confident about which cases we can win and which ones we can't. And we're really good at, figuring out, where's the hole in the case. There's always some wiggle room in a case. That's where lawyers live as a general rule in all areas of the law, which is the gray area. But look, let me show you. This is the Baker Act statute. Here it is. All 123 pages of it. And you can see it's pretty dog-eared, and that's because I spent a lot of time reading it and trying to figure out things. And it's really complicated, and frankly, some of it doesn't jive with other parts of it. There are conflicts. But be that as it may, right? There's no way for me to legally, try to get your loved one out, and then if I'm successful, accept your fee. I've had people say, well, I'll pay you 3 times as much if you get me out. If you get me out, I'll pay you afterwards. I'm sorry, it's just not ethical, and I'm not going to do it. This is also not a car accident case. I'm not suing for money, so I can't say, well, I'll give you, I'll take a third of the money when we're successful. It doesn't work that way, and I appreciate the fact that attorneys' fees are not cheap, and which is one of the reasons that I put all this content out there in videos, hundreds of hours of videos, the book. I'm all over social media discussing the Baker Act, and you can find all of that information for free. So that even if you can't afford to hire me or some other lawyer, at least you have some idea as to what's really going on. You can figure out, like, what are the red flags, right? What's the deal here? Is there a problem? And so look, I appreciate when people call us. If you call us during your regular hours and you speak to our intake specialist, there's no charge for that. But unfortunately, I'd be disciplined by the Florida bar if I took a case based on whether or not I'm successful. It's just not legal, and I'm just not able to do it. So anyway, with that said, thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.